Salt Lake City's rental market is competitive and constantly evolving. When tenants move out, property condition often becomes the flashpoint for disputes. But understanding the difference between normal wear and tear and actual damage, that's the key to smooth property management and preserving both value and fair relationships. Normal wear and tear is the natural, expected aging of a lived-in space. Things like faded paint, tiny scuffs on baseboards, nail holes, worn carpet paths, or faint scratches on wood floors. These are not signs of negligence, they're just plain living. Damage, by contrast, usually comes from misuse or accidents. Think broken windows, gaping wall holes, cracked tiles, deep gouges in floors, or burn marks in the carpet. That's above and beyond what normal use creates. A detailed lease agreement is your first line of defense. Clearly outline tenant and landlord responsibilities, regular upkeep, criteria for wear and tear, damage protocols, even pet-related expectations, to avoid confusion down the road. Document everything. Move-in and move-out inspections with photos, videos, and checklists give you a clear baseline and help avoid disputes later. Utah law supports deductions only when clearly documented. Don't wait until move-out. Conduct annual walkthroughs, address issues early, maintain HVAC, plumbing, and flooring, and encourage tenants to report problems as soon as they arise. This kind of proactive care preserves value. In Utah, landlords have up to 30 days after move-out to return security deposits, and must accompany any deductions with itemized actual costs. You cannot deduct for normal wear such as faded paint or worn carpet. By setting clear expectations, documenting thoroughly, conducting proactive inspections, and knowing what counts as wear versus damage, you protect your investment and reduce conflict. In today's Salt Lake rental market, where every well-kept property counts, smart property management makes all the difference.